Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about itinerary planning. First one is introduction. Itinerary may be defined as the travel undertaken by a passenger from the point of origin of a journey to the final destination and including all places visited in between. Planning itineraries for your customers and providing information to assist them in making their choice will be part of your everyday responsibilities when working in a travel agency. The itinerary is a certain route along with the tour travel as it is detailed descriptions and itinerary further more detailed informations about distance, destinations, photo stop, rest stop, mode of transportation and restaurant etc. Itinerary can be made out for a guide, tour manager with all necessary technical informations or for a passenger as an outline of their day-to-day program. Next one is itinerary contents. First one is date, time, destination, distance, route, transport, attractions, services and facilities. Next one is additional terms of itinerary. Number of tourists in the group, nationality, language, is there a tour leader, special interest or request, what services are included into the tour, for example, portage, meal, admission charge, ticket, voucher, parking charges. Next one is method of payment, what service tourists may pay for, when and where you are meet the driver and vehicles, when and where you are to meet the tourists. Next one is how to prepare an itinerary. First one, general instructions. Identify the number of days you will have on the ground. Include air travel days so everyone's flight arrivals and departures can be included and travelers know where to go on the first day. Include the names, addresses and phone and fax numbers of hotels or private homes as well as the time difference. Research connecting options in advance. Pay particular attention to potential delays related to airport check-in, travel to from airport to or train stations, car rental, distance between attractions, time difference, unfamiliar roads and even the local traffic conditions at the various times during the day. Give a copy to someone at home who is not traveling with you. For example, bus is most definitely waiting for the postcard. Next one is identifying and meeting their need. Find out where the client wants to go. Find out the way in which he or she wants to travel. Find out the order in which he or she wants to go to certain locations. Plan the routine to avoid unnecessary returns visit to the same places repeatedly. Check geographical limitations on the selected routing. Make sure the proper connectings existing to complete the itinerary. Make sure that the passenger is authorized to travel to the various locations on the itinerary. Check the proposed itinerary will get the passenger to the destinations at the time he or she wants to go to there. Check the lowest fares available. Compare the routing and fares with alternatives. Next is how does a trip itinerary works. First one is travel agency. When the customers work with a travel agency to plan and reserve a vacation package, they work with an agent to develop a master schedule that will become the trip itinerary. Travel agency can help customers book flight, hotel rooms, rental cars and entertainment activities. The customer receives a receipt with the information about each aspect of their vacations and then each portion is added to the master itinerary which lists all of the travel and vacation arrangements. Next one is how does a trip itinerary works for the daily organization. Most travel agency will typically separate a part of the trip itinerary for each day of the planned vacation. One travel days, the itinerary will list the airline, the time of each connecting flights, and the status of the ticket purchase. Trip itinerary will also explain where a customer is staying on each night of the trip, detailing the hotel's names, address, and amenities. If the customer has also purchased a tour or cruise through the travel agency for a specific day of the vacation, this ticket information will also show up on the main trip itinerary. Next is how does a trip itinerary works in the personal edition. After customers receive the master trip itinerary of their upcoming vacation, they will usually make personal additions to the plan. If the travel agency sends the trip itinerary electrically, the customers can usually print the schedule and write directly on the itinerary. For example, customer might make note of where they plan to eat and a meal during their vacations on the trip itinerary. Also, if they have a plan to visit family or friends during the trip, these details may be manually added to the itinerary. Next is the correct timings. When the planning itinerary is the vital that you get your timings right. This is particularly true in the case of the international travel. The world moves in orbit around the sun. It is possible for it is to do night time in one part of the world while it is a day in another. It will be morning time in an eastern locations country while it is a still night time on the day before in a western location 1. In locations to the east of GMT, the time will be ahead of the time of GMT, and in locations to the west of GMT, the time will be the begin the time at the GMT. Next one is follow-ups. Having identified the client's needs, planned the itinerary, record the client need and made proposal and recommendations, you must now follow up with the client to make sure that you have satisfied the need. This can be done by the telephones or mobile, email, and client visits. Next one, observes used in the itinerary. For example, types of informations, meaning, and observe. Departure city from FM is an observation. Next one, arrival city to in observations to. In departure times, meanings departs, DEP. Arrival time, arrive, ARR. Flight number, flight, FLT. Aircraft type, equipment, EQP. Day of operations, frequency, FRQ. Number of stops, ST. This is one of the tour itinerary. This is a plan of the from arrival to the destination and return journey also. This is a plan. They have to plan the from starting point to ending point. This is also one type of planning itinerary, travel planning itinerary. This is international tour travel planning itinerary. This is also one of the model. This is planning a tour itinerary. First step 1, research other tours in the marketplace. Careful planning is required when developing an itinerary of your tour. A helpful exercise is to take a tour which will be similar to the tour you wish to develop and obtain copies of other tour brochures under comparison. This will help you develop ideas for your tour, gives you an idea of what is already in the marketplace, give you detailed information on terms and conditions, and provide possible ideas for the brochure design and content. Next one, step 2, name your tour. Next one, step 3, map of the durations, frequency, and departure details. When will your tour depart? When will your tour return? How often will the tour operates? Where will the central departures point be? Will you offer accommodations pickup? Next one, step 4. List the major locations and the tour highlights. Where will your tour travel to? What are the main locations and highlights that visitors are going to experience? Next is step 5. Research tour content and draft commentary. List the main topics you wish to include in your commentary, such as flora, fauna, history, cultures, as well as the main points to consider with each of these topics and the resources you will use to find the information. Next one, step 6. List any third party activities, attractions, entrance fees and inclusions. List any activities offered by the companies or entrance fees and determine if they will be included in your tour prices or offered as extras. Next one, step 7. Organize supplies for meal. What meals will you provide during your tour? Morning and afternoon tea, lunch or dinner. You may wish to provide meals yourself or make arrangements for a restaurant, roadhouse, hotels or farms to provide them for you. Should you choose to prepare your own meals, you will need to ensure you have adequate food handling knowledge, food supplies and cooking facilities. You may also need to seek food handling approval from your local council and meet health department regulations. Next one is step 8. Perfect your timing. It is crucially important to map out your tour itinerary accurately to ensure that you arrive on time for activity and meal stops and return to your original destinations at a reasonable time. Prepare a table that shows start, stop and durations time for each location, attractions or activity. Next one is step 9. Test drive your itinerary. It's very important to several dry runs of your itinerary to ensure you get the timing right. It is also a very good idea to invite people who have some knowledge of the industry and are to prepared to give your constructive comments to do a tour. Thank you very much for watching.